crowd. They want you manageable.
They sell you relief in a shiny little rap, cherry flavored silence with a smile on the cap. Just take one, they say you'll be fine, don't fight, while they chain your voice to a neon light. Coughing truth in a room full of suits, I watch them trade my breath for quarterly fruits. They don't cure the sickness, they cure the sound, so the screaming stops and the profits go round.
Swallow the message, swallow the blame, swallow your anger till you forget your name. They call it comfort, I call it control, a sweet little plug for a leaking soul.
Shut my mouth, make me calm, make me good, sugarcoat the joker like they said they would. Keep me numb so I don't feel the chain, little round hush money for the hurricane. They don't want a voice, they want a product to sell, so I spit out the silence and I
Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Billboard, prison, pharmaceutical saints, corporate halos with the blood still in the pain, feeding us crumbs while they feast on the floor. Then they ask why we're mad like we're asking for more. They buy the laws, they buy the news, they buy the truth, you're allowed to choose. And if you cough up facts, they hand you a treat. Here, take this, don't make it hard to breathe. Who owes your lives? Them. Who owes your time? Them. Who wrote the rules? Them. Then why the hell are we still asking condition? I'm done swallowing lies.
I bit the tongue, I played the part, I took the dose, yeah. Now watch me choke on every promise you wrote. You want a quiet crowd, you want a docile parade. There's a million broken voices with the debt to be paid. Cough drop, no more hush, no more please, no more knees on our throats while you preach your peace. Spit it out, stand up, swing, with a storm you can't buy, with a fight you can't bring. Cough drop, shut my mouth, make me calm, make me good, sugarcoat the joker like they said they would. Cough drop, keep me numb so I don't feel the chain, little round hush money for the hurricane. They don't want a voice, they want a product to sell, so I spit out the silence and I ring the bell.